Hi, this is Stephanie with ErgOvation, and today we're going to be reviewing our trackless keyboard tray system. So why do I get excited about a trackless keyboard tray system? Well, this one's really fun and unique. The reason why it's unique is that you could use it in so many different applications. It is wonderful with electric height adjustable desks that have a cross rail. You can use it for shallow desks. It's perfect for benching systems, and you can even use it for a traditional static contract furniture desk. Just like a traditional keyboard tray system, it goes 6 inches below the surface. You'll have the ability to keep it in a neutral or slightly negative position, which is better for your wrist posture. You'll be able to have rotation. You'll also have the ability to have different tray sizes. This one is a smaller one with a separate mousing platform that can go mouse over or mouse under, and you can even place it on the right or left hand side, available in black or white, also with a removable palm support. But what I like about it, especially with electric height adjustable desk, is that when it is not in use, you can completely retract and stow it. A lot of times with folks who need to use a keyboard tray system with a height adjustable desk that has a cross rail, you'll may buy one with a shorter track, but the tray still sticks out. So with the trackless version, you'll have all the functionality of a great keyboard tray system, but then have it not have the problem with the track. So I'm just going to quickly stow it away, and there you go.